This backlit keyboard. Here we can see the screen. Oh, how fast! Super fast. Loading up system. And here we have the trackpad. It feels a little bit good. Not too bad, but not too good either. Screen is nice. Let's check the view angle. It's not the best screen I've ever seen, but it's nice for the price. It feels enough secure, like you don't feel any shaking or any movement, any something loose or like.
And what is the price of the laptop?
It costs around $800 in Amazon. So for the price, it's a pretty nice looking laptop. Here we have an Intel Core i7 processor, an 8th generation processor with an NVIDIA. We also have an NVIDIA GTX 1005, 4 gigabytes of RAM, DDR5, and it's a pretty nice looking laptop. I'm gonna upload some games later and test it out.